I am unboxing a new cutting die. I use my dies for cutting fabric and leather. So this is by Superdent. And they say, let's create something new. It says it's used for cutting materials for cards, paper, foil, fabric, leather, magnets, and PVC shapes. So this is the one that I ordered. It gives you a little booklet that tells you how to use it. Anyway, I'm just going to use it the way that I use it in my Big Kick. Here we go. All right, so I have my Sizzix Big Kick. Gonna put my die here. Got a piece of It turned out pretty good, not bad.